Hi, Daniel here, and thanks for watching. So this is a Quanum Nova Pro, or as some like to call it, a Cheerson CX20. They're pretty much the same thing. I recently picked this up. You may have seen the unboxing video I've done. This is just like a quick mod I've done with it, and it's a very inexpensive mod. So obviously you've got your landing gear here, haven't you? Where are we? So you can take it off by unscrewing these thumb screws. It's quite a good bit of kit. Now when it comes to landing this, you have to get it sort of spot on, otherwise it tends to tip forward or back or that sort of thing. So what I've done here is I've got this from Screwfix. You can get it from Toolstation Wicks. This is pipe lagging. This 15mm. This size is the 15mm size. So you could possibly get away with a bit smaller. I would say probably a little bit smaller than this, but it's not a big deal. Couple of cable ties to keep the weight down, and basically when you're landing it up and down, it will protect the landing gear, and it does help to stop it tip as well. Because otherwise, if you imagine you've got thin plastic about this sort of size, and it can tip really easily. So this just protects it, and obviously it'll hopefully stop it from cracking. So that's a quick mod you can do on your drone or quadcopter for not a lot of money. This stuff cost me 85p, and I think it's a metre or a couple of metres of it. I just cut it with some scissors, worked out the size in each side. There's the antennas, they're going down. I just cut it the size I need, and it's worked really well. It stops it from tipping over, and it protects it and stops it from cracking, and it doesn't add much weight, so I think it's worth having it on there. It's just one of those real quick little mods you can do to your quadcopter. It's not just this, you can do it to pretty much any with this sort of size landing gear on. Yeah, thanks for watching.